Hello friends. My name is Namesh. In this video, I am sharing my experience from my Switzerland tour, which is 7 days Alpine Railroad adventure. If you are planning a vacation in Switzerland, this video is for you. I am sharing some tips, tricks, and a must-do list so you can maximize the enjoyment of your Switzerland trip. In this video, I am sharing the first 2 days of experience at Zurich and Lucerne. Every corner of Switzerland holds a unique charm that you will love more and more. Before we start, subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update on my new travel and food videos. Day 1, Zurich. We started exiting 7-day Switzerland journey in the vibrant city of Zurich. We took a relaxing wake through the lake water around the historic old town and enjoyed a warm beverage in one of the many cafes or enjoy an international array of gastronomic offerings from restaurants across the city. We stayed at the Hotel Alexander, which is situated within walking distance from the Zurich railway station. Must do at Zurich. First, Zurich sightseeing with lake cruise and Lindt home of chocolate. Second, Zurich tour with Felsne cable car and ferry ride. Third, Zurich city tour. The first tip for the Switzerland trip is that you must download the Switzerland Railway app SBB Mobile. It is very handy and easy to manage train rides. Buy a Swiss pass and receive 50% off for all trains and bus rides throughout your stay in Switzerland. Day 2, Lucerne. After breakfast at the hotel, we took a train to Lucerne. Sited on Lake Lucerne, it is embedded within an impressive mountainous panorama and majestic snow-capped Alps. Upon arrival, we enjoyed a guided tour of this pretty Swiss city. Discover the well-preserved medieval architecture, walking in the footsteps of many artists and royal figures who lived and passed by in the 1800s. After lunch, we go for the Rigi Classic round trip from Lucerne, boat plus mountain train. It is an incredible view of Lucerne and the surroundings. With breathtaking 360-degree panoramic views, Mount Rigi offers a first-class mountain experience whatever the season. Awesome views all around of the Alps. Great hiking options and decent food options. We took the boat from Lake Lucerne to the stop for Metrichten, Rigi, then a short train ride to the summit with beautiful views on the way. Keep a light jacket as it is cool up there. Overnight stay in Lucerne. We stayed at the Astoria Lucerne, which is situated within walking distance from the Lucerne railway station.